Yo, what is up guys, Stromatic here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to run the new Fable model that Claude has to offer. So you're first going to start off by going into the directory where you run your projects. So I'm just going to do cd/test. Then you're going to start up Claude. Once you do this, all you have to do, so you're most likely, your Claude isn't updated yet. So all you have to do is you just type in Claude update. Bang, and it's going to update your Claude, and it's going to say this man's approval. You'll just say yes. Now if it shows up here Fable 5 is here, then you should be fine. Just do /model and you'll see right here Fable 5 comes up. Fable 5 most capable for your hardest and longest task. You can press enter and just do that. But if it's not there, then I'll show you how to access it. All you have to type in, so usually you'd put /model. This time you actually have to put /model and then type this Claude-Fable-5. Then you press enter. It'll do a little loading bar sequence. And then it'll say here, this conversation is cached for the current model. Switch to Fable 5 means the full history gets reread on your next message. Okay, and then we'll do sure. Switch to Fable 5. Press enter, and you can see set model to Fable 5 and saved as your current default for new sessions. So there you go. That's how you set Claude to go to the new model, Claude Fable 5. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any comments, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Peace.